Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the prerequisites: a Google account, an active phone for verification, and a modern browser. Open Voice. Google. Com and sign in, then choose Get a Voice Number to start. You pick whether to port an existing number or claim a new one. Porting has fees and takes days, while a new number is instant. Make sure to allow verification calls or SMS when prompted, because Google needs to link the account to your real device before continuing. Once done selecting a number, search by city or area code so results match your region. You then add forwarding phones, enter your mobile or landline, and complete the verification call or code. This connects calls to devices you own. Next, configure voicemail and text forwarding. Enable or disable SMS sync and choose which devices ring. Make sure to set a clear voicemail greeting and keep notifications on. This prevents missed calls and ensures texts appear where you want them. Finish by reviewing settings, confirm billing for porting if applicable, and accept terms. Test outgoing calls and SMS to verify caller ID and message delivery. Make an incoming call from another line to ensure forwarding works. If something fails, rerun verification steps, clear the browser cache, or toggle microphone and notification permissions. These fixes resolve most issues. If porting stalls, contact your current carrier for account details. Otherwise, retry setup on a different network or device to isolate the problem.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.